What's the meaning of charcoal? Charcoal. Charcoal.
Charcoal. Charcoal. Charcoal refers to a black, porous carbon material that is usually made by burning wood or other organic materials in the absence of air. It is commonly used as a fuel source for cooking, heating, and as a drawing tool for art. Charcoal has a wide spectrum of uses, from industrial production to personal use. Its porous nature makes it a popular ingredient in facial masks and toothpaste due to its ability to absorb impurities. Additionally, it is also utilized in water filtration systems to remove impurities and pollutants.